we have a lot of little tools to clean our tools, and it would be good to know, kind of what are we investing in order to keep our tools clean?
Well, usually I pick this up at the Dollar Tree because it does the same thing as the name brand scrubbing bubbles, and it does the disinfecting that you want to have when you're trying to clean your tools. The diamond file, this is probably going to be your biggest investment. They can run between, I believe, like 6 to 10 or a little bit more depending on the fanciness. I mean, the pen one was a little bit more, but it's probably more because of the brand who sells it, not so much the actual item. Yeah. And then I got this little kit, and I have more of them, and these are where I got the little picks. They're really handy. You can get them usually in some of the hardware stores in their bins, the rummage bins for tools, and they're very reasonable, maybe $5. And then the steel wool I usually get from Harbor Freight because they have a lot of basics that are very reasonable in price for claws and other things that you might use from a hardware store. And then obviously a scrubbing brush is good for the bigger tools. As you see, it's got a scraper and it's got the steel thing, so it can kind of get some of the bigger chunks or maybe some rust that's been left on a shovel or something that you want to clean first before you do the deep cleaning. And then obviously sock, $0.
Free.
And arm of a t-shirt, $0, and a used Love kitchen towel. So you're not really in a lot of money.
Yeah, but that's really going to save you a lot of money in the long run if you're keeping your tools out of shape, especially if you invest in some quality tools.
Right, because then you're not having to keep replacing them.
Great, fantastic.